Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you a recipe for a really nice appetizer if you're having a party or just want to surprise your friends with something special. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are roughly 100 grams of edamame beans, also known as garden beans, garden peas, roughly 1/4 of a cucumber which I've peeled and diced into small cubes, a small handful of chives which I've really finely chopped up, the same with mint, 1 clove of garlic pressed, a small handful of Parmesan cheese, some lemons for some lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some yogurt. We're going to be using some Greek yogurt. You can choose whatever yogurt you like, and of course some salt and some pepper. So first of all, we're going to start off by preparing our beans. A quick side note, these are already prepared. We have these that we buy in our supermarket. Just pop them into a microwave for about 5 minutes and they're done. Super easy, super fast, really recommend it. So, set some beans aside for the decoration's sake and pop the rest into a bowl. Take a fork and mash them up a bit. Almost forgot. Also add the tablespoon of olive oil in there and continue mashing. You don't want to mash them all the way, just a rough mash, if that makes sense. Now what you want to do is just season them with some pepper and a little bit of salt to taste. Give it a good stir. Now set this aside and we can continue with the rest. So now what you want to do is take a large bowl and put everything in there. First the cucumber, some chives. With some ingredients you can just get a sense of how much you need to add by looking at your proportions. For example, I'm not going to add everything of the mint. I'm just going to add about half. Same with the garlic, half of the garlic. Then the Parmesan cheese, again roughly half. A little squeeze of lemon. And then finally our peas. In hindsight, there were quite a lot of peas, so I'm just going to add everything in there. The garlic, the mint, and the cheese. Now that everything is in a bowl, I'm just going to take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and give everything a real good mix. I'm just going to add another 2 tablespoons of yogurt and give everything a good seasoning of pepper and salt to taste. And there you go. So now it's time for the presentation. Just take a small pot, bowl, whatever you can find. Take some of your mixture, put it in there. Then take some of your peas, sprinkle them on top. And to finish it off, some strands of chives, as nonchalantly as I can. Presentation is not my best skill, as you can see. So all there is left is to put a small spoon in there or chip to get your guest started. You can always serve some chips alongside with the dip. And there you go.
Time for a taste test! Cheers. I just love that it's so fresh. I mean, I already like the regular tzatziki, but this just gives an extra dimension to it. It still is fresh, but the flavors are different than like the regular tzatziki. And it's just a nice way to spice it up a bit, to do something different. And it's really good. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We really hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.